Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry, my cat is joining me today. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have, thank you so much. I sound really stuffed up. I do apologize for that, but I really wanted to show you guys what I just got in the mail. Alright. So cute. But anyway, so today I did do a couple days ago, because it didn't take that long to come in the mail, but a couple days ago I did order Ashley Cosmetics, and I've been hearing great things about it. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got, and it wasn't expensive at all. They are having a deal where you, for $45, you can get like 9 items, and you kind of build your, you can build a package basically. So that's exactly what I did. So this haul isn't a big haul, but seriously, not all hauls have to be like super expensive. You can get really great items for cheap if you look, if you know, if you do your research and whatnot. Honestly, I think I'm coming down with something. I mean, I feel great. I feel better than I look, but whatever. Anyway, so this is Ashley Cosmetics. Came in the mail today. Woo woo! Alright. Got a nice amount of things. So I got a lot of really cute things. I almost forgot how much I ordered. Like, for $45, that's a really good deal. Alright, so this is the bullet brush. This is basically used for like your inner eye. Ow. Ooh, look at that. Nice and soft. I love like receiving brushes. You can never have enough brushes. Never. Let's do the small stuff first. Okay. We got some lipsticks. I forgot that I ordered these. So this one right here. We got this one, Color Kiss Kissable Matte Lip Gloss. I can't right now. Stop. My cat is trying to get up while I have this box on my lap. So we got the Color Kiss. It's really pretty. Honestly, I'm not going to put it on my lips right now, just in case it stains, but I'm going to do it right on my my hand, the back of my hand. So it's like a bright cherry red. It's really pretty. It looks really creamy too. Alright, and then we have this one. So then we have Fury Road. It's like a darker one. I definitely love always getting, every time I buy a lipstick, I'll get a dark one for sure. And then if I'm feeling, you know, really good, I'll get a light. But dark is like my thing. So what is that? Are we up to 2 items? Okay. So look at that. That looks, look at that color. Pretty. Let's see that. So it's like a maroon, I would say. Yeah. Okay. Fury Red. So that's two items. I did get the little, it gives you the option. So you choose a big item, next big item, a smaller item, smaller item, smaller item. So these were the last ones I chose, the Galaxy Glitter. Now I heard great things about these. I really do like applying glitter. Whatever you use it for, you know, say you use it for like right on top of your shadow after you apply shadow. It's really pretty. It's a powdery glitter. So look at that. Powder. Ooh, shit. Hold on. So I got the silver. It's really pretty. It makes a huge difference when you like finish a look with this. Very pretty. So what is that? 3 items. 4 items. 4. Okay. I got another glitter one. Man, I just got glitter all over the place. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this next glitter, you see the glitter flying around. This next glitter one is like a gold glitter. Celestial. It's the gold glitter. What was this one called? Constellation and Celestial. They're a little hard to open at first. Okay. Whenever something's hard to open, I get really irritated. Why don't you want me to get into this product? Okay, so. This one. Ooh, it's really pretty. Let's put it on my finger first. Then close it, because with the other one I kind of spilled it. But I didn't spill much, so that's good. Ooh, look at that. The light is not really giving it, you know, a chance to show you how great it is, but it's really pretty. It's like a rose gold. Alright guys, so the next item, so how many was that? 5. Okay. Got a lot of glitter just now on this. Glitter everywhere. Okay, so we got a makeup brush cleaner. I did pick this one out. You always need a brush cleaner. It's great to clean your brushes. So using this, you kind of just, it has a pocket. You put your hand in there and, you know, you brush your brushes. It's really smart. Different ridges, you know. Really simple, self-explanatory. We're at 6 items. Do I have glitter on my face? Whatever. Alright, so next item, I did get foundation. I always like to try any makeup line foundation to really see what it'll do. You know, how it looks on my skin. Let's look, let's see, let's explore, let's see it. So this is the Cafe, I got the Cafe Brown. This one, I'll say this, online choosing foundation is always a little harder for me because I'm like, oh, what am I? But let's see if it works. Let's see if it looks good. We'll try it out. If it doesn't, what are you gonna do? I have glitter everywhere. Yeah. So that's a little dark. That's a little dark for me, but you know what? I'll keep it for when I do other people's makeup. I can always mix it with something else with a lighter shade to really get my shade, but that's definitely off. I missed the mark with that one. All right, so we're at 7 items, right? We're at 7 items. Let me get this off my face. And we still have more to go. We have like 2 more items to go. It's cool. So I did get this face contour palette. I'm really not big on the palettes just for contour and face. But as I learn, I really want to explore with it. The blush and stuff, I do a little bit of blush, not all the time. Not every look needs blush, I think, but, you know. And plus, so why did I pick it? I don't know. You don't have to pick this. I'm pretty sure you don't have to pick this, but somebody can use it. Last thing. This is what I was really excited for. Let me wipe it off. Guys, I got glitter all over it. Okay guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for, I did, you know, get really excited about this clutch palette. I really wanted that. And why not pay $45 for 9 or 10 items and get this clutch palette? Sorry, I was eating chips. have any of you? Okay. So look at this. It got a lot of glitter on it just now. I have glitter all over my face. Sorry about that. But anyway, look at this. Let's open it up. Ooh. Look at that. This is so cute. This can really go with like a cute outfit. You know, I really like that. It kind of opens up. It says Ashley Lee. Thanks, Ash. Anyway, look at that. All of those beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, it has 88 shades. I cannot swatch all of that. I'm sure there's a YouTuber out there who's done it, but me with a 3-year-old, I do not have time for that. But yeah, 88 shades. It's travel friendly. Look how cute that is. Look how pretty that is. Maybe I can do a couple shades to see how pigmented it is, you know? Because that's what we're really looking for, right? Okay, so my favorite shades of all are the gold shades. I'm going to do one of the gold shades. See how that looks. Can you see that? Alright, so I'm going to do a blue shade. So that's a nice amount of shades of blue. Look how pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, can you guys see that? Focus. Alright. Now let's do the green. Well, this is like a really, really bright green. Okay, so these are looking pretty like promising. Okay, let's do this silver right here. Oh my god, this is super like creamy. I just like ruined the. It's super chunky. You don't want to press down too hard. Pretty, right? Just do this purple. That's not really pigmented. I don't really like that. That one could use a bit more pigmentation, but it'll take you a second to get that look you want. But anyway, guys, so that's a little quick swatch. That's a quick swatch of this beautiful clutch. I mean, the look itself sells it. The look itself sells it. A clutch is so cute. Definitely clever. It's very cute. I love this. Alright guys, so that was my Ashley Lee Cosmetics haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said again, it wasn't like a super expensive haul. It was definitely, what is it? 10 items? Oh, they gave me a free gift, which makes it 10 items. Not my thing. It was a little necklace. Probably would turn my neck green, but who cares? Anyway, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, make sure you like this video. Thank you for that. And what's it called? If you're thinking about Ashley Lee Cosmetics, you should definitely give it a try. I mean, who doesn't want 10 items for $45? And it delivered quickly. It took 2 days to get to me. Ooh, I mean, that's a no-brainer. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you already have, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I hope I don't have anything in my teeth. I was eating Doritos, like in between takes. Bye, guys.